This is a steam tip made out of steel, and this is a steam tip made out of PEEK material. Steam wands. Like this mod that I made, Profitec Go, fitted on a Gaggia Classic. It's a cool touch steam wand. Comes with a hefty steel steam tip. While this gets barely warm, this gets scorching hot. Caked milk, tough to clean. This is a PEEK steam tip. PEEK material is less heat conductive. This was milled, made by PCBWay, so thank you to them. And let's put it to a test. Is it actually worth it? My name is Dule Rabbit. Let's go down this rabbit hole. So we have a 4-hole steam tip. This is the original 2-hole steam tip, and connected here is a 3-hole steam tip. This is set up for 155C. We're gonna pour some Canadian milk in here. And let's just do the worst thing ever. Let's just slam-a-rama. Let's see what happens. You can hear Gaggia mate. You can hear the Gaggia mate adding the. Okay, now it should be good. Let's see what 3 holes do. Okay, we got steam. Okay, that was a long one. And the PEEK steam tip, nothing, but the wand has a little bit. Holy moly. Okay, the steel one is on. Let me put some new milk. Let's just submerge it. Let's make it dirty. Alrighty. Oh, you can already see the difference. The wand is still holding strong. The milk is pretty much, if you're not, yeah, it's caked on. I can scrub a dub-a-doo. I want to do a steam test now, because this one is the 2-hole steam tip. Okay. Hot, 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 hot. Oops. Hot. Okay, this one is the 3. I mean, while it's steaming, I can undo it, and it's like it's not even warm properly. Okay, and this is 4. I believe that the 2-hole or 1-hole probably the best. I know the vortexes and all the stuff, but interesting. Let me do something. This is just another cold milk. This is the 4-hole steam tip. This one is the 3 one. It's not restrictive enough. Yeah, 4-hole one. say 4 holes make more of a vortex. Yeah, I like the 4-hole one. Yeah. You gotta love this, man. It's just like, it's not even hot. This is cool. This is a cool touch steam wand, but this is hot AF because doing the back-to-back stuff, like heat gets transferred, so yeah. It's cool to touch if you're doing it normally. So let's reassess. Alrighty folks, if you're wondering what this is, for the ones that have no idea, this is a Profitec Go steam wand. It's very cheap and you can find it. It's a cool mod to install on your Gaggia Classic. I'll link the video down in the description on how to do it. I have this one still. It's gold. Hot milk, I have to figure out what to do with it. And I have to come to this. This is a weird one for me. Now, if somebody is smart enough to tell me why this is performing differently, the holes are supposed to be the same, but the number of holes performs differently. I forget about the milk doing the swirls and the vortexes and stuff. It's just clean shots. This was performing worse than this. Just inspecting everything. This is milled perfectly. The holes are, everything is perfect. The only reason I would think of is this one looks like a triangle and this one looks like a square. It's crazy. If somebody is smart enough, just like comment down below. I want to know. The 2-hole steam tip is the beefiest one. Kinda. I think it's just because it's coming out of 2, it looks differently. When I put in the 3-hole steam tip on it, I was already, the holes need to be smaller. So when I put in the 4, I thought it was like, oh, here we go. Nothing is going to come out. There's not enough back pressure to kind of, but then this performed better than this. Does anyone understand why? Interesting. Interesting to say the least. On the topic of the Gaggia Classic, this is the 2024 model and this is the 91 model. Almost 35 years. What do you think? Which one is better? I'm gonna do a comparison of them. This one is built like a tank. My name is Dule Rabbit. Thank you for watching this video. Keep tinkering and I'll see you in the next one.